inform about it sa insurance commission.
Okay. Ito, yes, Mr. Time, sir, Your Honor, bakit po sa financial statements sa Prime, it only showed 6.2 million pesos sa performance bond. Yun, sa financial statement ko, 6.2 million. For 10 years, 6.2 million na kolekta nyo sa performance bond na meron kayo. Samantalang dose-dosero ng JVs meron kayo na security nyo, which requires bonds each year. It doesn't add up. Kahit na elementary, hindi kayang gala ng ano yan. So, which sila, nakita namin yung financial statement nila, di ba? 6.3 million lang po ang total ng inyong performance bond. Okay? For the past 10 years, 6.3 million lang. Isang parang also news na sa coming from dozens and dozens of GVAs from different local water district performance what I'm talking about. Oh, it doesn't add up, sir. Sige. Salita ka, sir.
Sige, Mr. Chair, okay. I cannot rebut on the issue. I'm not familiar with the performance bond on our financial patient.
So, hindi mo po kaya sagutin yun. So, again, buti na lang, ganang sagot mo, akala ko, pagpasinwalingan mo, may patulas, may dokumento. O, di ba, sir? Kasi nanggigigil ako sa baka may pakontent kita, pwede kita ilagay dyan sa ilalim o mag-second demotion sa ang content. Makukulong pa, Paskong-Pasko. Anyway, so we don't have that intention. Ang amin lang po rito, mabigyan ng solusyon to problema kasi napakatagal ng panahon. And every single week, may pumipinda po sa Wanted sa radyo, inireklamo po yung Prime. Kasi sir, kung maayos naman talaga ang serbisyo, no problem. In fact, there are times na nagpag-usap ako sa inyo, sinasabi ko, ayusin yung problema. In fairness, gumagawa natin ng action, pero kung palagi naman sa paulit-ulit, may nakasawa na, hindi tulad ng ibang kumpanya na reklamo sa programa ko, inaayos nila. Hindi na bumabalik yung ibang mga complaint. In your case, maayos nila itong programa dito, may problema pa ito, sunod-sunod. So, kumbaga, ang haba, mga nakatukusan, there must be something that we have to do. Ito nga, pinag-usapan natin, that's why we're all here. And mag-cooperate po kayo. So, suggestion ko sa iyo, ano po, on behalf of Prime, you represent Prime, ano po ang inyong suggestion para mabigyan solusyon, itong hinain ng mga local water district na sa ngayon ay diskontentado po sa servisyo ninyo, hindi po tama at hindi susunod ko anong lalagay sa JVA. Sige po, pakisagot.
Mr. Chair, okay. We are everyone naman to resolving the problem. We are open to continuously communicating with our partners, water district, even the LGU, and we are open to any suggestions sa other government agencies.
Suggestion. The suggestion is, ako na po mag-represent sa kanila. Huwag na po kayong gumamit ng TRO. Huwag na kayong magpakorte. Pag nakansila po, yung JVA, nakansila po yung permit, don't go to court. Can you do that? And then, siyempre, hindi po yung just compensation. Kung ano po yung na-contribute nyo, magkaroon ng bayaran. Don't go to court anymore. What's the suggestion? Ako na po magsasabi.
Yeah, Mr. Lever, with all due respect, I cannot decide on that.
You cannot. Okay.
For the recording lang po habang nagsasalita kayo, sir, also with all due respect na palagi kayong in communication, doing problem-solving series sa mga water district. May ilang mga water district resource persons na umiiling po. So, ako, Mr. Chair, I will just continue to finish asking my questions para mas magkaroon ng tools yung mga water district and LGU resource persons natin moving forward, no? Kasi kailangan pang magpakita ng higit na good faith talaga sa problem solving. So, ito pa rin sa mga performance bonds. Totoo bang mga kontrata sa JV kung saan hindi nakakuha ang water district ng performance bond kung walang tumutulot ng pribadong JV partner? Kung totoo po ba, pwede ba kayo magbigay ng halimbawa? Will it be OGCC or CGMB Assist, Mr. Chair?
Opo. Actually, kami po yung nagka-claim. Tumawag kami sa insurance company claiming for the performance bond. Kaso yung insurance company po told us hindi kami pwedeng mag-claim, only Prime can claim. So, nag-raise na po kami ng, we sent a letter to the Insurance Commission po. Wala pa lang pong response on that.
It's really surprising, Mr. Chair. Siyempre, bakit yung kiklaim man ng performance bond, siya pa yung mag-volunteer? Nandito po ba COMSEC ang Insurance Commission?
Deputy Commissioner Jason Robert Paredes po.
Mr. Chair, if you could hear from DepCom Paredes about this, Mr. Chair.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, and good afternoon, Madam Chair. The performance bond that is supposed to be for the benefit of the obligee, which is in this case, kayo pong water districts. Yung performance bond is supposed to ensure the performance of Prime Water in its contract. So kayo ho dapat ang beneficiary nun. Now, kami po sa Insurance Commission, meron ho kaming tinatawag na Public Assistance and Mediation Division, kung saan dito po pwede ho kayong magpadala ng mga tanong ninyo o complaints or issues regarding mga surety companies regarding itong mga performance bonds. At dito po, i-mediate po namin yung mga kasong to. Mediation po to, which means that both parties should consent to mediate. Para ang trabaho ng IC ho dito is to convince the parties to come up with a settlement. Now, if a settlement is not had, the Insurance Commission can still, will advise you that what are your remedies? What are the courses of action you can take? Ang sinasabi ho namin usually is that ganito po. Pwede ho kayo mag-file ng kaso, ng claim sa Insurance Commission but with another division already. Ito yung tinatawag ho namin claims and yung CAD po, yung ito po yung nagtatry po ng insurance claims against insurance companies po, no? Itong division po to, itong claims and adjudication division namin, meron po kaming jurisdictional amount. We can handle claims up to not in excess of 5 million.
So, Karin, Musa.
Yes, sir.
So, ano po yung status ng mga local water na nag-file ng against performance ban ng Prime? Meron ba? At kung meron, at ano pong nangyari?
Alright, sir.
Specifically dito sa sinabi ng Quezon Metro Water District, sumulat po sila sa Insurance Commission. Ang commission ay sagot.
Opo, correct lang po. Yes. Yung insurance company po ang nagsabing hindi po pwede ang water district ang mag-claim, kundi si Prime lang po.
Sir Paredes, sumulat sa Insurance Commission kasi nga gano'n rin naging sagot ng insurance company sa kanila.
Kellen, may I know which letter was that?
Check ko na lang po, I will forward it to you sa email po.
Alright, okay.
And then, can we assure the community na the Insurance Commission will act on this? Kasi una, ang weird ng sagot, parang mali yung sagot ng insurance company sa QMWD.
Yes, ma'am.
Opo, nakabulong siya dito naman pwedeng collect.
We'll answer their queries.
Answer them before the next
Since we received their
sa inyo.
the points that they raised and what we will answer.
Salamat. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pakisagot, ma'am. Yes, sir. Kung dito, huwag ka magsinungaling. Huwag kang tumulad dyan. Sige. Ilan ang naging successful sa mga claims na final sa Insurance Commission against sa performance bond ng Prime, ito mga local water district, ilan ang naging successful?
As of today, sir, in our records, 8 cases were filed with the
Sir, ang gusto ko mangyari. Yes, ma'am. Maski na sino pwede mag-file ng mga file eh. Anybody can file. But what I want to hear is, doon sa mga nag-file, ilan ang mga na-resolve in favor of those parties aggrieved.
One case was resolved. This is with respect to
Tama.
Guwahati District, sir.
Yes, why not?
This is just to be clarified. This is
Sige, one successful mediation.
yes, sir.
Nagpabayaran.
The rest, this one, sir. We are monitoring the payment for this.
You are monitoring.
Yes, sir.
Kasi zero payment. Isa na lang naging successful na sa mediation sa Insurance Commission, siste, hindi na babayaran.
In this case, sir,
Ang success rate yun is
the payment here, sir.
0%, tapos baliwala pa, hindi pa nabayaran.
Sir, the payment here was to be made by Prime Water.
Yes.
Yes, because in the
Hindi na pumunta ako sa inyo for mediation. Tama
yes,
po.
sir. Yes, sir.
O, sa Insurance Commission. Kasi performance bond we're talking about, di ba?
Sir.
Okay. Now, sa ginawa ko ng mediation, nanalo yung nag-file ng claim.
Yes, sir.
Yung cost nanalo. Now, ano ang follow through? Dapat ang tinanong then mababayaran ng claims. In this case, hindi po mababayaran ng claims.
Sir, this claim, sir, this was only resolved just this year, in November 2025. The initial hearing was on November 10, 2025.
Sige, be that as it may.
Yes, sir.
Isa pa lang.
Yes, sir. Because
Ilan bang nag-file? Ilan bang nag-file?
okay,
And then when did it start?
we have all in all, sir, we had 7 in the commission. And this is only before the assistance and mediation.
Ay, kailan na po? Nag-umpisa? Sa pito.
Okay. Would you want me, sir, to go over the list?
Yes, po. Pito lang naman yun eh. Pakibulan siya.
The city of Malolos Water District.
Malolos, okay.
Yeah.
Is it filed?
I think it's 2025, sir.
2025?
Because the parties, the claim was referred to the insurance company itself.
Okay.
Okay. Then the Dasmariñas Water District case, the first mediation was on October 7, 2025.
Okay.
But the parties agreed that to discuss the claim in the office of the obligee without further actions from the.
So all of them were filed just this year.
We have, we have in our records 2 cases which were filed in September 2024 and 2023. And in both cases, the mediation failed, and we
Why
advised.
does it fail, sir?
In mediations, we try to convince the parties to come up with a settlement. If they do not come to a settlement, then we.
The reason bakit nag-fail ko yun? Dahil hindi nag-agree doon sa amount?
Yes, sir. Baka ayaw magkabayaran.
Ang magkabayaran. Kasi nga po, 6.3 million lang ang performance bond overall ng Prime. Yun lang po yun. Na samantalang every year, dose-dosena, by the tens of millions, 50, 60, depende, ang nanlikom ng Prime
Well,
sa kontrata.
Saka nagtataka rin po ako, Mr. Chair, Mr. Paredes, bakit kailangan pang i-mediate? Bakit kailangan pang i-settle? Kung performance bond, it's an insurance against non-performance or poor performance. So kapag hindi po na-deliver yung performance committed in the JVA contract,